Commercial rugged harsh I/O connectors and cables. When reliability matters most, commercial rugged harsh I/O connectors and cables rise to the challenge. Designed for harsh and demanding environments, commercial rugged harsh I/O connectors and cables deliver trusted performance across industries including industrial, telecommunications, medical, energy, transportation, military, aerospace, and beyond. With IP67 rated, protection against dust and water ingress combined with rugged thermoplastic and metal die-cast housing, commercial rugged harsh I/O connectors and cables are built to withstand the toughest conditions, supporting a wide range of data speeds and offering both standard and customized solutions. Commercial rugged harsh I/O connectors and cables ensure reliable, high-performance connectivity wherever innovation takes you.